It's 8 o'clock in the morning, we're in central Seoul, but before we do anything, we need to get our coffee. Not really, we need our bubble tea. We're not coffee drinkers, I'm afraid we are not coffee drinkers, we are bubble tea drinkers.
Let's start the day with a bubble tea.
Before we go and get coffee, we are seeing up here, I'll show you in a second.
We're not getting coffee, we're getting bubble tea.
Oh yeah, before we get bubble tea, there is a queue here, and we're kind of wondering what's going on.
Oh my god, it's the coffee people. Oh my god, it is coffee. I bet it's coffee. No, okay, I forgive them. It's not just coffee, it's sandwich and a coffee. Coffee and toast. Green apple tea, no sugar, and regular ice. 800.
This is Theodora's money bag.
No, it's because of the coins. Because I'm fanny packing it. I do it like that. Because otherwise it goes everywhere and I'm like, yeah.
So we've got our bubble tea. We're good to go?
We're good to go.
We can actually function now, we've got our bubble tea. We are, if you didn't know already, we do take the piss out of coffee drinkers, which is probably a bad thing because I think about 90% of the nation actually drinks coffee. So you probably hate us right now. Anyway, we are here, first day in Seoul. Let's go and explore. Woohoo!
So Seoul is all about the street food and we're gonna try plenty of it. So I had to wait a little bit because they made it completely fresh, so let's taste it. Ah, it's so hot, hang on.
How is it?
That's so good, really good. Just taste of noodles, veggie, but the dough is so crispy. She put some sort of glaze on it, it's so delicious.
That's like noodles in a bun with vegetables.
Yummy, right?
Look, take a look inside. Okay, next up guys, this is with, I believe, cinnamon inside. Nice. Sweet, but nice. Oh, it's so good.
Oil, no oil, no oil.
No oil. Ah, that's why it tastes so clean, there's no oil. Guys, this morning we were like, oh, let's go into Seoul, what are we going to film, what are we going to call the vlog, and you know what, we just thought, let's just go, let's see what happens. Turns out this vlog's turning into like a food vlog.
Street food.
Street food, trying everything. One of our missions today is to find a new pair of trainers.
But
what?
Ugly trainers.
Like, it's fashion now to have these ugly, big sole trainers. We've got our eye on a pair. And obviously, they're going to be matching. She makes me have to wear matching stuff
You love
all
it,
the time.
babe. You love it.
They're literally called the ugly shoes.
I know, we're in the ugly shoe section, checking for our size.
I don't want your persona. I just wanna be real with you tonight. Can I have
We've got ice cream, just a little ice cream.
I just wanna
How great is that?
You tell me that you used to know feelings, but I change it.
It's mango, but it's, I thought it was an ice cream, but it's like a sorbet. On Avenues, guys, we got our Chinese. Check them out.
Here's a little strawberry. Oh, yes.
The worst thing is, Theodora got the same ones. Are you happy we got matching trainers?
Yes, that's protocol, Graham. Protocol. And we're now officially part of the Ugly Trainer Club. Guys, you never guess what we found.
Guys, we're going to take you somewhere very special. A little drink with some little friends.
My God. This is the craziest thing I've ever seen. I'm seeing kangaroos. Okay, so this place is literally crazy. I've seen raccoons, wallabies, meerkats. It's crazy.
Wally beans?
Wallabies. But but it's £10 to get in. And
Each?
Yeah, each. So like to spend £20 on stroking a raccoon. I don't know.
I know, I don't want to spend 20
I could spend 20 quid perfectly well on something else for me.
But they do have raccoons, meerkats, a fox, wally beans. Is that a sloth? It looks like a sloth.
Oh, that'd be
But I
so
just looked through the window and it's the funniest dog you can imagine.
Oh my God.
Let's go.
This is so weird.
Have any food in your bag?
No.
I think he wants a coffee. Oh no, he wants Wi-Fi. Look, he's going in for a Wi-Fi. What are you thinking of the dog cafe, right?
It is so strange. Look there, he's literally just sitting on the sofa waiting for a drink.
This guy's chilling.
It's kind of nice, isn't it? Because you just get to kind of like, yeah, you get to stroke the dogs and it's just random.
You're leaving me out in the rain when I try to reach you. I know it's hard to break through the chains, but I'm gonna teach you. I'm gonna reach you. 'Cause when my
So you've got potato, sausage and cheese dogs. You've got cheese and sausage dogs, or just cheese dogs. So here you've got mussel. Is that mussel? Something? Fish, hot dogs with bacon. Okay, babe, I'm going in. Wow. Cheese is so naughty but so good. Oh my god. Oh.
화이트 파우더 콘플라워.
Corn flour, okay.
Yeah, long time ago Korean traditional dessert. Honey very hard.
Whoa.
Or like 16,300 straight. Korean special dessert, dragon spear.
Whoa.
Looks like grandmommy here.
It's like hair.
Yes.
Wow.
7 different kinds of nut flavor. Almond, sesame, peanut, walnut, blasphemy. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Yep. Done, just eat. Yummy, yummy. Very soft. Really good.
Amazing. How cool was that? So basically, this hair where he wraps a mixture of nuts, he wraps it in this sort of hair, and we were like, what kind of hair is it? So it's honey literally stretched out with corn flour to keep it separate. And he's just showed it, it's like amazing. So we made it home to our Airbnb. I've just had a shower and Graham is currently tucking in our new babies.
They've got to put the babies to sleep. They're all happy. So they've now got one bed. And this bed is for us. Come and join me, my lover. Oh, all that food. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the food tour of Seoul.
Oh, I feel so bad now, babe.
Oh, I'm eating so much. If you like this video, guys, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for the new videos.
Yes!
We're in Seoul for a few more days, so there'll be maybe 1 or 2 more vlogs.
Yep.
And then we're off to Sri Lanka.
Woo!
Yes! Curries galore.
God,
Cannot
he keeps
wait.
talking about it. So
Oh,
annoying.
I'm dying for a curry. Oh. Good night, guys. See you later.